Well, the day has come. The car has sat a long time. Needs some engine work and lots of love. So we're gonna have it towed over to Mike's house and start our multi-month project on this poor turd. Looking pretty sad. But we'll get her out and get her up and going. Well, looks like it didn't move since April 2018. Try to get some more shit off of this thing. So we got our hood. Yeah, don't look too shabby under there. Yeah, got some work to do, but we'll get her done.
Life.
I understand.
Hey.
We had a puddle of mud.
Do I need to push?
Fall off the driveway here in a minute. Oh, dude, we could have fucking ran a lot further. Here, let it go. You got a broken personal lens.
Yeah, I know. Hit a bird.
I think it rolls easy, dude.
Surprised.
Oh, until I said that. Oh, we're going up a hill.
Yep, I'm just gonna stop it right there and hook my chain up to it.
Right on.
All right. Little wet out here.
You're going to be able to edit that one.
Mm-hmm.
It's all the stupid shit I said.
Oh, it'll be on there.
You get herpes in your asshole. Hey, little clock. You got me thinking the brakes are going to be all crusty and
Oh, she's crusty.
they're rolling easy as hell. Just banging.
Can't park on that side of the road. Do you need help? Let us know if you need any pushing help. Okay. last time this happened when the tranny blew up?
Yeah. I thought the whole car blew up. But no, we just split the tranny. Broke the shit out of it.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, it's not leaking like it did that time.
Right.
Okay. Then it dumped tranny fluid everywhere. Broke the case.
Yeah, 8 pieces were flying everywhere.
Soon.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty funny. I got the hearse in the video too. Ta-da!
Yeah. Sexy.
Mm-hmm.
The rain on them hoes. Make it rain on them hoes.
Rain on what?
Make it rain on them hoes. Yeah, I want to move some shit around in here for you.
Is it going in the garage or it's down here?
Yep. You're still good. It just barely fits. You're good. Ta-da! You good?
That's good.
That's good.
That's good, man.
Perfect. So nice. And there it is.
She's home.
She's home.
On it, or I'm happy to see it being moved after umpteen years of just sitting there being neglected. It's going to be a fun project with the right people for it, and with hopefully within a few months be hurting feelings and making fart noises with it.
I can't believe the time has come. This car is sat way too freaking long, and this thing needs some love. Mike's been the guy that's always worked on this car with me, and we're gonna do it again. It's gonna take many months to get it ready, but we're ready to wash it and get it in the garage really soon.
Get all the cobwebs off.
Dude, it's full of so many cobwebs, dirt, crap, filth.
You can just see it stringing across.
Look how thick that crap is. Well, at least we found a window in the weather. It's been rainy, but worth every minute. We're just getting the crusties off from God's help. Trying to get her cleaned up to get her in the garage to do a lot of work on it. We want to have it clean. Got cobwebs, dirt, filth, you name it. Oh, don't worry about the bumper fillers falling apart like the cheap bodies do. Oh my God, they're so rotted. Oh, the wheels actually work. Still shiny. That's pretty crazy. Oh yeah. Little love. This car is all original paint. It's got the basic flaws that they have, but it's in pretty decent shape. So is the rock guard and everything in the bottom. The only thing that's ever been painted was by Richard Amin that owned the car. He repainted the spoiler. It had some sun damage on it. This car goes, oh, that feels so good.
All the cobwebs.
Oh, dude.
Stringing all out everywhere.
It's got cobwebs, spider shit, fucking horrible. She's a dirty girl. Well, we got to figure out the name of this car. I've been thinking about Buford T. Justice. Buford T. Justice. Buford T. Justice. Look how thick that crap is. Well, the rain actually helped quite a bit. Yeah, I gotta fix that broken lens. You had to replace the front bumper fillers. They basically rotted off the car. The fiberglass one's in it. The back one needs replaced still, but I have it in the trunk. Billion-year-old tires. You having fun yet, Mike?
Sure. See, you're not supposed to let him get this bad.
Well, in theory, you're not supposed to get this bad. No, what's funny is this piece actually sagged down, but I had to push it back up and it was still sticky. I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, the factory paint really sucks, but it's nice to keep the originality of it. See, look how that bumper filler just fell off. I did it down the highway last time I drove it. It's like, oh, what's that piece of crap falling on the road? But we'll get her all shined up again. And then we'll dry it off and get it in the garage. Look at that amazing factory tint from the 80s. It's like purplish colored. Weird shit. By the way, Mike, the brake light says T-type when you hit the brakes. I'm not sure which owner put it in there. I'm the third owner. But yeah, it actually says T-type when you hit the brake pedal.
It needs to say, fuck your LS.
Fuck your LS. Well, the LS's will beat it, but hey. But it's an old turd. Little 6-cylinder. I love that bumper filler. The thing's just trash. One day I went to the garage, opened the garage, and this thing was mint. And the bumper filler was just disintegrated after a winter. Look at that. It just fell all apart to nothing. Looking pretty good.
First time soap touching it in how many years?
5+.
5+ years.
This thing's filthy. Thanks to Mike for getting all the chunks off.
Many years ago, 20+ years ago, I bought a Grand National that did not run. Got online on turbobuick.com before the internet was even close to what it is today. And some dude kept sending me emails and stuff helping me with my car. I'm thinking I'm talking to somebody far, far away. Now it's this dipshit right here.
Oops.
We ended up running into each other after I got my car going, and we started talking. Then we realized he was Mr. URL on turbobuick.com. He's the one sending me all the information to get my car fixed.
True fact.
20+ later, we're still playing with little V6s.
It's pretty crazy how we met. But we've been awesome friends so long. And I'm excited that we're going to put this car together with each other, like always. He's been the only guy that's ever worked in the car, besides myself. And he's the only one that knows this car better than anyone other than me.
The reason why it's going under the knife is it lost oil pressure.
Not 100% oil pressure, but it had an engine issue. Basically, what I found out was the ultimate problem. I was breaking push rods and all kinds of weird crap. I bought these fully port and polished race heads, and dumb to me didn't realize there was roller cam springs in it. So it was way too high pressure with a flat tappet cam, and basically it screwed the whole engine up. And this car only has a little less than 63,000 miles on it. So we'll see once we take the engine out how much damage actually happened and get it put together right.
The sky's getting dark.
That's all right. God's just helping us clean the beast.
Better get the scrubbing.
I'm trying.
Underlay, biatch.
Ah. Too bad I'm only getting paid $0.
Yeah, he's washing his own car, bitching about not getting paid.
Those back fillers are so crusty. I like wiped across them and like crunch, crunch. Oh, another piece fell off.
Oh.
Hey, let me give this away to our fan base. Look at that.
Whoever likes this the 100th time will win a piece of this bumper filler.
Yay!
Well, now it's 2 pieces. So 100 and 101 will win pieces. We will keep you updated.
WH1. There's only 463 of those made, so you know they're pretty rare. Getting sudsy. All right, back in action. I got all the Mike got the chunks off. I got the micro chunks. Now he's gonna rinse her off. I see a few more bumper filler parts fell off the car. Oops.
Light makes might.
Dang it. I'm crying now. I'm kidding. So we're gonna rinse this bitch off quick. She's starting to look so much better. Mike and I have been working on cars for so many years. We work together so weirdly. What I know and he knows makes us like a superpower of weirdness for some reason. We kind of complement each other non-stop, which is pretty awesome. We're fun to work together. Oh yeah. She's like, rub my back some more. It's starting to look like a car again.
A sad one.
A sad one. But hey, it's happy it's getting played with. And thanks to Mitch Swanson's brother, I hired him to take all the dents out of this car, and he spent quite a while on hand massaging all the dents out of it without repainting anything. They keep the factory paint, which is pretty cool. I like to have him help me with my Hearst Stolz, which has a ton of dents in it. But this car literally has no dents in it. Don't lose that bumper filler part. Oh no, we want to keep that. We want that. We want to glue. Where's the super glue? Ow.
Hey, maybe we can keep that pinstripe and repair the other swap.
Oh yeah. There's kind of story about this pinstripes on this car. See, there's kind of missing. Richard and Mean had these pinstripes put on, which actually made the car look a lot cooler because the WH1 package is basically trying to mimic the 1982 Grand National paint job. And the original owner put on the Buick sticker in the back, which is proper to 1982 Grand National. About one fall, I had Mark Menegay help me put the car away for the winter. And I said, don't put it into a car wash. Hand spray it, hand wash it. Nope. What he decided to do, instead of doing what I asked, took it through a car wash and started getting shit like that happening. And these cars, you can't go through the car wash. See all the pinstripe missing? So I decided to take the car through the thing and grab a friend and beat the crap out of her for the afternoon. So now we gotta go back and fix all that shit. Yep, some pinstripe missing down there. That's all from going through an automatic power wash with a 80s car that you shouldn't be doing. But we'll catch up with you once we get the car in the garage. Well, the T-Type is here for a long mission of fun to get everything all fixed, bundled up, and back on the road. Thanks to Mike. We have the whole puzzle ready. And what's your parting words in this video, Mike? The car is all cleaned up. Looks pretty freaking good.
Let the fun begin.